Good morning, this is Jack from Charting Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Monday, the 22nd of December. My disclaimer, this is for educational purposes only. I'm here to share my technical analysis with you. I hope you can take some what I'm doing, learn from it, transfer it to your own charts. I'm not here to pursue trading signals. This is a video for paying subscribers at ccmcrypto.substack.com, and it's published on YouTube after a delay of 3 days. Okay, looking at Bitcoin, we're still seeing a modest rally here on the daily chart. The new weekly pivot is at 87,805. Which was a little lower, but we didn't actually do a great deal last week. In terms of the flag, we could be forming a larger flag here. I am thinking that we might be, I wrote a post on Friday talking about the rally we're seeing on the equities now and the setup for that, and we've got pretty strong bullish tape for this week. So I think I'm thinking that we're going to just expand the flag and trade sideways this week mainly. We will see how that goes. I'm thinking we'll see a bit more upside, and we are reaching a significant level at the declining resistance here. I'm thinking we may well do a B, C, maybe do a larger flag and possibly get up to about the 96,000 area. Looking at the 15-minute chart, here is the flag. It broke down. We've got a potential little level bottom here. It's oversized, but I'm thinking basically this is breaking up with a target and a retest of this high here at 94.6k, and we'll probably make a higher high within the flag. Could it be that we're just going to turn around and fail back to the lows? Yes, not particularly promising to see that in terms of the historical take, holiday week, and so on and so forth, but that is most definitely still a possibility. All right, Solana. Seeing we actually made the bear flag broke down here and actually made a lower low. That means a couple of things. It means that we've got some exceptionally weak positive divergence here. Maybe I think I'd actually have to measure it on the weekly chart, but I'm thinking we might see a slightly larger rally here. But again, if they'd all broken down and reached their targets, I'd be thinking we might actually see a decent rally here. There isn't really the setup for that. There is a potential level bottom here, which I'm mulling over, but I'm not seeing anything particularly compelling suggesting that's going to deliver much. In terms of the hourly chart, no current divergence, obviously double bottom as I said, and in terms of the 15-minute chart, here is the flag. It broke down, it retested the low, and we've got a little inverted head and shoulders here, which has broken up with a target in the 138 area. That's not a particularly ambitious target, and I'm thinking it might do that. Hang on 1 second, I'm just checking something out. I'm thinking it might well do that, but I'm not really looking for a big rally here because Bitcoin and Ethereum have a significant amount of unfinished business below because we've got the flags, and I'm still expecting those to deliver retest to the low. The only question is really when. So we will see how that goes. Let's have a look at, hang on 1 second. Yeah, maybe. Nothing particularly convincing in terms of the overall pattern from this high here, but I am thinking we are seeing a bit of a breakup, and I think 138 looks like a doable target. All right, let's have a look at the Ethereum chart. Now, Ethereum, we saw the breakdown. We didn't make it back to the retest of the low, and we've been basically trading sideways since. Nothing on the daily chart. Got the 50 DMA, which is now pretty close at 3109, and I'm thinking we could see a break back over that. We've got nice looking flag here, and I'm thinking this is going to trade sideways to marginally up until equities are ready to turn, in all probability. We will see. Here is the flag. It's nice. We've got a little IHS here too. That's broken up with a target in the 3250 area, and I'm thinking that target looks doable. We shall see. All right, great. Let's have a quick look at questions. Oh, no, I didn't, but I'll check that out. I'll check that out this morning, mate. What was the issue with the bigger picture video upload? Did I? Okay. No worries. I will check that out. I'll check that out this morning, mate. I didn't think I did, but I might have put in the link for the wrong one. Okay, no worries. I'll check that out and I'll fix it this morning, mate. All right, great. In that case, I think it's a wrap. Everyone take care, and I'll catch you guys again tomorrow. All right, cheers.